Lessons from the Arenal Volcano in Costa Rica, which I am currently hiking towards it. The volcano is actually the mountain. It's like pyramid shaped, and it has a very strong fire energy. The lesson of the fire energy is about masculine energy, which is directional, focused energy to manifest your dreams, to manifest your desired reality. To manifest what you want, you can connect with the fire in you, which is an intense energy that can express through you and can clear everything on the path to your intention. Whatever intention that you have, if your intention is to be whole and complete, the fire energy can clear everything in its path. It can show you the shadow, whatever is not aligned, of you being whole and complete.